The announcement landed like a bombshell. Amid rising inflation, increasingly expensive cars, and mechanics charging exorbitant prices for any strange noise, Tesla throws a number on the table that seems like a joke. Use $12,749. It's not fake. It's not a toy car. It's the so-called Model 2, a real machine with wheels, a battery, and over 360 miles of range. And there's more. According to leaked documents from Giga Texas, deliveries begin in August 2026. The internet simply stopped. But what few understood immediately is that this price isn't just a good offer. It's a manifesto, a clear attempt by Elon Musk to change the mobility game once again. Only this time, targeting those who need predictability the most, older drivers. It's not just about price. It's about taking weight off your shoulders, weight off your wallet, your repair shop, the constant anxiety that something will break. This car doesn't require oil changes. It doesn't have a transmission. And if you've ever had a scare with a blown engine or a transmission dying at 90,000 kilometers, you know what we're talking about. The proposition here is simple: to save the owner up to $30,000 over 10 years of use. That's without even mentioning the peace of mind. And look, if this proves true, no Civic or Accord will survive the comparison. The Model 2 doesn't come down to emotion. It comes down to cold calculation, to the spreadsheet, to logic. And the target audience? Interestingly, it's not young people wanting to race against red lights. Tesla seems to have aimed directly at those who have lived long enough to understand the value of one less headache. The marketing may not say it openly, but the design screams it. This car was designed with people over 50 in mind. People who don't want to be surprised by a flashing engine light in the middle of the night. Who want predictability. Who want something that simply works. Period. For the first time, an electric car seems to have been thoughtfully designed for this audience, and not as a luxury accessory or status symbol. And don't think Tesla is throwing a launch party with flashing lights and a DJ playing. Quite the opposite. They haven't invited anyone to the party yet. The name Model 2 isn't even official. It's an internal codename that only came out because documents leaked. There was no pompous event, no TV commercial. Why? Because this time, they seem more concerned with delivering something that works well for the next 10 years than with shining in the first 10 seconds of the announcement. And you know what? That says a lot. Musk himself stated in early 2025 that this would not only be a revolution in design, but a revolution in the way cars are manufactured. And that changes everything. If the cost of ownership drops drastically, it could mean the extinction of endless monthly bills. That combination of insurance, maintenance, gasoline, and minor repairs that bleeds finances month after month. The Model 2 emerges as an anti-hero in this story. No 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. No dancing doors. It comes as a discreet warrior, ready to last. Now, think about it. If a car eliminates hidden expenses, surprises at the mechanic, and still retains a good portion of its value after 5 years, what more could someone over 55 ask for? We're not talking about luxury. We're talking about financial freedom on wheels. And that, honestly, is worth more than a panoramic sunroof. The Model 2's proposition isn't to be the fastest or the most beautiful. It's to be the most rational, the most sensible, the most budget-friendly in the long run. The first thing that catches your eye when you look at the Model 2 from underneath is its construction. It doesn't have that mountain of welds, screws, or fragile parts that tend to come loose over time. Instead, Tesla heavily invested in so-called Giga castings, enormous blocks of cast aluminum that replace more than 70 traditional components. This reduces weak points, prevents strange noises after a few years of use, and, most importantly, prevents the car from becoming a constant source of repairs. A misaligned bumper, a squeaky door, or a suspension that creaks in the cold? These things disappear when the structure is simpler and more solid. Another surprising detail is the replaceable impact modules. A simple but brilliant idea. Instead of replacing half the car body in a minor accident, you remove the affected part and replace it with another. This not only avoids those absurd body shop bills, but also helps keep the car's value more stable, since you don't have that history of heavy repairs. And, let's face it, nobody wants to see their insurance premium go up just because they bumped into their front gate. These modules were designed precisely for that, to absorb impact and get back on the road without drama. But perhaps the most unexpected touch is the use of unpainted structural polymer exterior panels. It may seem strange at first glance. No shine, no varnish, no new look, but it makes sense. It doesn't peel, it doesn't rust, and most importantly, it doesn't require repainting. And if you've ever had to touch up a car, you know that new paint never looks the same as the original. This lowers the resale value and also becomes a headache with the dealership. Here, the idea is to eliminate this problem once and for all. But it doesn't stop there. Tesla borrowed a technology that many people never imagined seeing in cars: the use of aerospace structural adhesives, the same ones used by SpaceX. Instead of thousands of welding points, the Model 2 is literally glued together with compounds that can withstand 20,000 pounds per square inch. This improves insulation, prevents cracking, and increases the overall durability of the structure. Instead of rusting after 5 years in a coastal city, the Model 2 remains strong even with salt on the road or extreme weather. This completely changes the car's lifespan. Modular construction also has another unexpected effect: less interior noise over time. Fewer parts coming loose means fewer mysterious creaks, fewer dashboard rattles, and fewer squeaks that appear out of nowhere after a harsh winter. For anyone who has driven a car that starts to sound like a samba school after a few years, this change is a blessing. Silence isn't just comfort. It's a sign that nothing is falling apart. And how does all this translate into practice? Less time stuck in the shop, less "it'll only be ready next week," less "the part hasn't arrived yet." The idea is clear. You drive, charge the battery at home, and don't need to keep feeding a mechanic with your Christmas bonus. The car becomes a tool, not a burden. The concept of drive and forget has never made more sense. And in a world where every unforeseen event seems costly, having something that doesn't require constant attention is almost an emotional relief. Beneath the Model 2's floor lies perhaps one of the biggest technological leaps Tesla has made towards real and affordable range: the sodium-aluminum-ion battery, with a capacity between 50 and 53 TTT. It seems small at first glance, but don't be fooled by the numbers. This chemistry doesn't need lithium or cobalt, two expensive and often unstable metals on the global market. The result? A drastic cut in production costs and a solution more resistant to temperature variations, with surprising performance for those who thought cheap batteries meant poor range. And speaking of range, the Model 2 delivers between 355 and 370 real-world miles per charge. This isn't lab testing with the air conditioning off and the radio muted. The measurement was taken at 70 miles per hour, with the radio on, temperature adjusted, and driving typical of someone visiting grandchildren or running weekly errands. It's the kind of range that allows you to go from Sacramento to Los Angeles with plenty to spare, or to do your entire weekly routine and only charge the car once or twice, at most. Now comes the interesting part. You don't need to install a charging station at home. The car comes with a standard 120-volt adapter, the same type of outlet as your kitchen refrigerator. Plug it in at night and wake up with 40 miles of new range the next day. For those who drive little, that's more than enough. And for those who travel more, Tesla's V4 superchargers deliver from 10% to 80% in 18 to 19 minutes. Enough time to grab a coffee, stretch your legs, and get back behind the wheel without rushing. The durability of this battery is also impressive. Laboratory tests indicate 20,000 charge cycles, which could mean around 600,000 miles before reaching 90% of its original capacity. This isn't a marketing promise. It's engineering working in favor of longevity. Now, of course, nobody will drive that many miles in 5 years. But for those planning to keep the car for 15 years, it's like having an engine that simply refuses to die. And even if it needs to be replaced, the estimated cost is between $3,200 and $3,800, less than half the cost of replacing the engine and transmission of a gasoline car. Now, let's be realistic. No battery works miracles in extreme cold, and Tesla knows this. In climates like Minnesota in winter, the range can drop by 25–30%, reaching around 210 miles. Still, that's enough for most daily routines. And the car anticipates this. It learns your routine and automatically starts preheating the battery, using stored energy to optimize performance on freezing mornings. It's as if it wakes up before you, just to get everything ready. Intelligent is an understatement. Furthermore, the regenerative braking system has been adjusted to capture 22% of kinetic energy, an improvement over the Model 3, which harnessed 18%. This gain is reflected in the final range, but also in savings on brake pads, which last much longer, and all this without requiring the driver to change their habits. The experience remains the same as driving normally, only with the bonus of spending less and stopping less. If there's one thing that those over 50 know well, it's that a car needs to be economical, not only to be fuel efficient, but also body-friendly. And that's where the Model 2 surprises again. Tesla has abandoned those traditional side-opening doors that require you to twist your hips, bend your torso, shift your knee weight, and try not to hit your head on the roof. Instead, the car adopts simplified butterfly doors that open upwards at a 90-degree angle. This isn't to impress at tech events. It's to make life easier for those who experience pain when getting in and out of the car. These doors were designed specifically for those who deal with arthritis, herniated discs, or simply want to get into the car without acrobatics. The door frame is only 6.7 inches from the ground, almost half the height of the Model Y, allowing the driver to effortlessly place their foot in the door and slide into the seat while keeping their spine straight. No twisting, no contortion. And if you've ever felt that twinge in your back just from getting into the wrong car, you know the value of this. It's not luxury, it's relief. And it doesn't have a motor, sensor, or expensive frills. The hinge is mechanical, with simple gas springs that last more than 15 years and cost only $120 to replace. None of those crazy mechanisms from the Model X doors, which become a nightmare to repair. Here, the proposition is clear. More functionality, less maintenance. And even in tight garages or with low ceilings, sensors in the pillars and roof rails automatically adjust the opening height. Practical, safe, and adaptable. But accessibility isn't just a highlight at the entrance. The front seats have been slightly raised from the floor, which helps with both getting in and out. And the buttons are physical, with tactile feedback, so no one gets lost in touchscreen menus. The steering wheel has been redesigned with a low-resistance internal system, perfect for those who experience hand pain or have less strength in their fingers. It's the kind of detail that seems small until you feel the difference in your daily life. Everything here exudes the idea of a car that helps, not hinders. And just when you think that might be nitpicking, Tesla releases a research statistic. 70% less rotation in the lumbar spine compared to conventional cars, thanks to the new door design. That's over 2,000 entries and exits per year with zero pain. And honestly, there's no price you can put on that peace of mind. This changes the routine of anyone who was already considering giving up driving due to physical pain. And it's not just older drivers who benefit. In tight supermarket parking spaces, those where the car next to you is practically glued to yours, the butterfly door only needs 11 inches of lateral space to open. No more trying to swerve sideways, bumping elbows, scratching your neighbor's car. Here, you simply lift the door, stretch your leg, and get out as if nothing happened. Simple as that. And look, there are many wives out there who will be grateful for no longer having to squeeze out of the passenger seat. When you put everything the Model 2 promises to deliver on paper, the numbers start to look quite interesting. And we're not just talking about fuel economy or discounts at the repair shop, but a concrete difference of up to $35,000 over 10 years, compared to popular gasoline-powered sedans. That's right, $35,000 that could be going into your pocket, your retirement fund, or that trip with the grandchildren. And that would normally be wasted on expensive insurance, frequent maintenance, and gasoline at $4.50 a gallon. For that reason alone, it's worth taking a good look at this car with different eyes. The simulation, using real data, showed that while a gasoline-powered sedan easily reaches a total cost of $56,000 over a decade, the Model 2 comes in at $26,429. It seems absurd, but it all makes sense when you consider that this Tesla doesn't require oil, timing belt, transmission fluid, or exhaust. Maintenance? Just changing the filter and rotating the tires. That's it. And that's without even mentioning that it consumes electricity that costs less than $10 per week if you charge it at home overnight. And it doesn't stop there. While most cars lose 50% of their value in the first 5 years, the Model 2 should retain up to 85% thanks to its durable structure, long-life battery, and low repair needs. This represents between $4,000 and $6,000 more in your pocket when you sell or trade it in. And in times when any engine problem becomes a financial headache, having a car that maintains its value and avoids unexpected expenses is a real relief. Another factor to consider is insurance. Many people still think that electric cars are synonymous with very high insurance costs, but that's changing. With fewer moving parts, less maintenance, and more predictability, EVs are becoming 12% to 18% cheaper to insure compared to traditional models. And in the case of the Model 2, this represents savings of over $1,500 in 5 years, especially for those over 55 with a good driving record. If you add it all up, purchase cost, fuel, maintenance, insurance, and depreciation, the Model 2 beats sedans like the Civic by a long shot. A basic Civic can cost $27,500, plus $18,000 in gasoline over a decade, $4,200 in maintenance, and another $9,800 in insurance. The result? Almost double what you would spend on the Model 2. And that's without factoring in engine, transmission, or electrical system issues, which can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 at a time. This is where everything starts to fall into place. Tesla isn't selling a car that impresses you in the first 6 months. It's offering you a tool to save you money for 10 years straight, without surprises on your bill. It's not just about design or technology, it's about financial predictability, about knowing that the hard-earned money you make every month won't go down the drain on maintenance. That changes everything. This is where the less glamorous part of the story comes in, the compromises Tesla had to make to deliver the Model 2 at such an unbelievable price. After all, nobody works miracles with aerospace-grade aluminum, sodium batteries, and butterfly doors without cutting somewhere.